Okay, so this is the main homepage, landing page that you will get when you sign on. It tries to give you a very high-level overview of how you're performing overall on your program, specifically on the rate items. So what this is showing here is by risks, issues, actions, decisions, and changes, it's showing you the average number of days outstanding that you've got open items, and then the oldest open item. And then if you've chosen to include closed, it'll show you how you're performing on your previous ones. So on average, it took 107 days to close an item. The longest one that took to close was 250 days. So I've got a clear understanding of how I'm managing my risks there. And the same would go for issues and so forth. This is also by work group. So your program is going to be broken up into various different work groups or various different projects. You can include any or all of the ones here that you want. So for example, if I just wanted to take a few items out, you can see that my status here is changing as I am moving around which work streams that I'm looking at. The other thing to be very important, very aware of, is that every item that you submit, you will classify that item by a reporting level. And so that when you do your analysis, you can go in and say, you know what, I only want to see the high level ones, the ones that are at such an importance level that they report up to the board of directors or the CEO or the executive steering committee. And I'm going to take out some of these other areas here. And you can see my chart updating as I go along the way. When I go down into the individual items, I can go in and take a look at each individual item. So I've clicked on Give Me the Closed Items. It shows me all the different closed items, you know, what the title was, how long it took to close, who the owner was, and so forth. And if I wanted to, I can always drill down right into the individual level. I'm not going to show that just now, just to stay focused on the landing page, but suffice it to say, just a couple of clicks and you can get right down into the individual detailed issue without having to do a lot of searches and everything like that. I can also go in and just say, give me the ones that are just assigned to me. I can search by specific date ranges, and I also have an overall summary here of the individual changes, the individual statuses on the risks, issues, actions, and so forth. So all in all, a really good quick snapshot to see how I'm doing on my outstanding items. Real-time information. It's always available on the mobile, on the tablet, as well as the desktop experience. So you should be able to see these at any time, anywhere.